Hi everyone, Gazalelo here, Bondi Guru. I hope you're all doing wonderful. So I'm doing this video as a reminder that I'm currently doing intuitive sessions. I call it intuitive/coaching sessions because I guess on some level there is some coaching that's going on. And between now and the end of the year, so it's the 23rd of November today, I'm offering intuitive sessions for a lesser price. And I say this, and I usually do this at the end of each year, just to support as many people as I possibly can. I know some people perhaps are not in a situation where financially they're able to afford the actual price of sessions. So between now and the end of the year, you can purchase your session at 155 Australian dollars. You can also purchase a 5-pack. I believe it's around 775 Australian dollars. This is rare. It doesn't happen very often. Normally sessions are around 255 for 30 minutes. Okay. Now, I want to explain something that I feel could be useful for those of you that are kind of sitting on the fence or don't understand what happens in an intuitive session. I only need a short amount of time with you. Sessions are 30 minutes. Sometimes I split them into 2 sessions. I'll give you some homework, tell you to go away and come back the week after. And that's to 2 sessions from your 30 minutes. We'll split into 2 15-minute sessions. I do this because what's important to me is when we're in a session together, you speak for a couple of minutes about what's going on in your life or what you're there for. What comes to me intuitively then and there is which questions are going to best support you and the work that you need to do for you to arrive at your own awareness, to arrive at your own answers, to hear and feel your own intuition. That's what's most important to me. Now, that only takes a couple of minutes. I've always said, put somebody in front of me for 2-3 minutes and I can tell you exactly what's happening. Only because I'm in the present moment. No other reason. It's not this big secret thing. There's no other reason. My attention is in the present moment. I'm hearing what you're saying and I'm paying attention to my intuition, which says, this is what's going on here. This is a question that's going to best serve this person. To me, a question is like a magnet. That question, it's almost like you put that question somewhere on your body, like you do with a magnet, and it pulls out. First of all, it pulls out what's in the way of the answer, of your true answer, which is not going to be from the thinking mind. Okay? So the question is there to support 2 things to happen. 1, pull out what's in the way of you knowing the answer. 2, show you what the true answer is. And for each person, all the questions are going to be different. It's not like I have a set of questions that I ask. It all comes to me intuitively in the here and now. So when you turn up to an intuitive session, sometimes I have people that turn up and say, I want to know about the future. And I must admit, in the past, it used to really bother me because I'm like, how the fuck am I supposed to know? I don't know. That's not the work that I do. However, these days I've perhaps gotten better at recognizing, okay, well, the only reason you want to know about your future is because you're, feeling uncertain or you're worried about certain things. And what I do is I dig a little bit deeper to help that client understand how to bring their attention into the here and now and why the here and now is way more important than anything that has to do with the future. And so during a session, as you speak about what's going on for you, to me, the only thing that matters are the set of questions that show up. And those set of questions are what become the game changer for you. Because at the end of the day, you have to look in yourself. At the end of the day, you have to realize that you are responsible for your life, your emotions. Everything comes down to you. And sometimes it's as simple as shifting your perspective and seeing yourself and your life from a whole new light. I've seen this thousands of times. All it takes is one question for somebody's life to completely turn around. Not because of me, because of them. All I do is deliver the question and that person goes back and does the work. I can show you how to ponder, how to use that question as a magnet to empty everything that's in the way. You can call them blockages, emotions, whatever it may be, to empty yourself of that, to then be in a space where the true answer is available to you and you can align with that true answer. Anyway, that's the gist of an intuitive session. It's to support you to be empowered, to be in the present moment, most importantly, to hear your own intuition. The only reason you're not hearing your own intuition, or that you may be confused about, is this my intuition or is this my thinking, is because of what's in the way. A simple question based on intuition in an intuitive session can support you to recognize exactly what's in the way, open space for that to release, and boom, the answer's already available to you. So intuitive sessions are, for that price at $150, are only available, $155, sorry, between now and the end of the year. And you can use that session, or you can buy as many of them as you like, and use them up until March 2024. If you have any questions around intuitive sessions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.